部塌了，20条街，80、81、81、82，全部塌。
On March 28th, a powerful earthquake struck Myanmar, leaving chaos, destruction, and human casualties in its wake. According to the United States Geological Survey, USGS, the earthquake had a magnitude of 7.7, while some seismological agencies estimated it at 7.9. The epicenter was located 11 miles from the city of Mandalay, which has a population of 1.2 million people. "12 minutes after the earthquake, a strong aftershock with a magnitude of 6.7 followed, along with several additional tremors. A local resident reported that they felt the earthquake for about 1 minute before running out of their house. They saw others doing the same. It was very sudden and very strong. The earthquake caused massive damage to infrastructure, severely damaging numerous buildings and roads, and leading to the collapse of a bridge over the Irrawaddy River. There was a complete power outage, and telephone lines went down. Several major hospitals in Myanmar's capital, Naypyidaw, were severely affected. Forcing medical staff to treat the wounded outdoors. As of March 29th, the number of deaths in the country reached 1,644. More than 3,400 people were injured, and some remain missing. In an instant, people were trapped under collapsed structures. Search and rescue operations continue in the affected areas. This was the most powerful earthquake with an epicenter in Myanmar since the year 1912. The tremors were also felt throughout Thailand, hundreds of miles from the epicenter. The earthquake caused the collapse of a high-rise building under construction in Bangkok, claiming the lives of at least 7 people. Dozens remain missing. Videos posted online by eyewitnesses show people rushing out of high-rise residential and office buildings. While water from rooftop pools spills over the edges of swaying structures. The epicenter of the earthquake was approximately 182 miles from the Chinese border, with tremors felt in Yunnan, Guizhou, Guangxi, and other areas. In a border town in Yunnan province, houses were damaged and 2 people were injured. Surveillance cameras in the maternity ward of Jincheng Hospital captured nurses rescuing newborns as the building shook. Experts note that the increase in the number and magnitude of earthquakes, as well as other natural disasters, corresponds to the mathematical model developed by an international group of scientists from Alatra.
哇，瞬间以为
Details are presented in the report on the progression of climatic disasters on Earth and their catastrophic consequences.